Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So today what we're going to be talking to you about is October's secret scent box. Okay then guys, this is the October secret scent box and it is a designer fragrance subscription box. Inside you get 3 perfumes which are enough to last you through the 30 days of October. I know it's 31 days, but I think the idea is you get a 30-day supply. So I have obviously opened the postal box, but I haven't had a sniff of these perfumes, so we'll do that together. Inside there are supposed to be 3 designer perfumes and it costs £13 a month. And they're all, like I said, designer fragrances, so really good really when you think perfume to last you a month. You pay quite a bit for a bottle sometimes. Okay then, let's open this little box together. Okay then, so you open it and it says Secret Scent Box October Edition for her. And once we open that, we have a selection of little cards and our 3 perfumes. Now the cards are just little information pieces about each perfume. And there's also a card here that tells you about how you can win a free Secret Scent Box if you leave them a review on Trustpilot or on Facebook. Okay, so we'll ignore that one for now, although I will drop them a little review once I've kind of tested the perfumes and things. Okay then, so what we'll do is we'll go through the perfumes one by one, we'll have a little look at the information on the cards, and we'll have a little sniff. I will just say I'm not like the most experienced perfume smeller or anything. I can't really tell you what hints of notes and which and what and things are. I'm not a knowledgeable person when it comes to like fragrances really. But you know, I know what smells nice to me and what doesn't smell nice to me, and I can maybe pick up on the odd flavour, I was going to say, the odd scent. But you know, I've got a nose, everybody else has got a nose, so my opinion may just count. Okay then, so our first perfume is Burberry London. You get a nice little sample size bottle, and let's see what the little write-up says. This fragrance is indispensable when visiting the city of London, if one wants to feel the pulse of this old and contemporary city. And it tells you it has top notes of rose, honeysuckle, tangerine, with middle notes of tiare flower, jasmine and soft peony, with base notes of wood and musk. I'm just gonna open it up, give it a little spray on the card and see what I think of this one. Okay, so straight away I pick up on the tangerine smell. Definitely really quite citrusy. Like I said, I'm not an expert. I don't know if I can pick up on the other stuff. I'm getting an overwhelming smell of tangerine. It is pleasant. I always tend to think of citrusy smells as being very fresh smells. So if you want to smell fresh, I think this might be one for you. Quite like that, it's quite nice. Next then we have Jimmy Choo Fever. Launched in 2018, this scent celebrates a new facet of the Jimmy Choo woman. An innate extrovert with a playful energy and sense of fun. And it says there are top notes of black plum nectar, lychee and grapefruit, with the middle notes of heliotrope, vanilla orchid and jasmine, with base notes of tonka bean, benzoin and sandalwood. Now the one that stands out for me there is the vanilla orchid. I've just had a vanilla orchid perfume in my Feel Unique pick and mix box and I really like that one. So we'll give this one a little smell. I'm hoping the vanilla is going to be in there that I can smell because I love a vanilla scent. Straight away then I feel like this one's sweeter than the last one. I really like it actually. No, that's nice. I can't get an overwhelming scent of vanilla, but there is that kind of sweet smelling fragrance. I really like it actually. It's more subtle I think than the previous one, and I do tend to prefer a more subtle scent myself, so I think I will enjoy using this one. Our final scent then is FCUK's Connect Her. A great on-trend fragrance for young women, FCUK Connect Her Eau de Toilette is a floral perfume which is perfect for everyday wear. And it says this one has top notes of lotus, bergamot and lily of the valley, with middle notes of jasmine, violet and peony, and base notes of musk, sandalwood and vanilla cedar and amber. Okay, so again we will give this one a little smell. Yes, this one's definitely more floral. And I'd say it's a really good everyday perfume. It's not an overwhelming smell, but it is a very nice smell. Yes, no, I like that. In fact, I like them all, and I think we've got a good mix here. So let's just have a little rundown of what we've got. Okay then, so in the box we got Burberry London, we got Jimmy Choo Fever, and we got FCUK's Connect Her. I think we actually got quite a nice mix of different fragrances. I feel like this one was very fresh and citrusy. This one was very sweet and feminine and nice, and this one was very floral, kind of subtle, kind of nice everyday kind of perfume, and I really enjoyed those. I'll be honest, when it comes to wearing perfume, sometimes the first sniff isn't always the best for me. I tend to tell more with the perfume if I've wore it for a little bit longer whether I actually like the smell or not. So I think this is really, really super handy, because if you want to be testing a perfume, like I said, I think that you have to wear it. And this gives you ample opportunity to try out each and every perfume to decide whether or not you want to splash the cash on the bigger bottle, because perfume can be quite an expensive investment really. So a lovely, lovely little box then really, and I am so happy with this. Now the guys at Secret Scent were very kind enough to give me a code to share with you guys, so that if anybody's interested in this, then you can get 15% off your first box. I will drop it in the description box below in case you forget, but it is just Ashley15. Okay, so this costs £13 a month and you get perfumes for the month. So I think it's a really nice little purchase, and definitely something worth picking up if you're interested in fragrances. Or there's Christmas coming up, you know, if you want to be buying someone something, I think it's a nice little gift really too. And for £13, it won't break the bank. And you won't even get it for £13 if you use my code, you'll get it for a little bit less. So I am really looking forward to trying the perfumes. I think that they're all really nice. There was nothing in there that made me go, ugh, which I'm really pleased about. So thank you, Secret Scent. You've picked some really nice fragrances this month. And like I say, I do look forward to trying them all. So I will link the information about the Secret Scent box below, and you can check that out for yourselves. And if you're interested, I'll also include my discount code down there. And as ever then, thank you very much for watching. If you have liked this video, then please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, because it would be fantastic to have you here. And until my next video, thank you very much again for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye!